Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can delete the app data of your voice data of your Google Assistant, how you can remove that. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to go to the Google Assistant. Here it is. Just click on Google Assistant, long press it, go to app information, and here you can just click on settings, and friends here you can see remove voice match from all my devices. You can see go in Google Assistant, and if you have to add this, add device with voice match, if you have added this, you can see search your Wi-Fi tomorrow. You have to say that to the Google to identify. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call.
Okay, but first you'll have to unlock your device.
Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. And the task is complete. Your voice is matched to a Google and it is ready to use. You can say it next, and then you can see my voice is added to this, and you can see there is option remove voice match from all my devices, and you have to just simply click on it and you have to just remove this, and friends your voice is removed from it, and you can make another voice to add this from here. You can see add device with voice match. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.